The power supply is truly the unsung hero of every great PC build. It may not be as flashy as a GPU, but it's the heart that keeps everything running. But let's be honest, when shopping for the right fit, all the ratings and technical jargon makes it all so confusing. So, I'm here to help you sort through it all. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best PSUs for any build, with links to everything in the description below. Let's begin. Let's start at number 5 with a fantastic option for anyone building on a smart budget. And this spot goes to the MSI MAG A550BN. Now, you might see budget and think it means compromises, but that's not the story here. This PSU is all about delivering reliable power without making your wallet nervous. I say that because it's 80+ bronze certified. In simple words, that means it's highly efficient. About 85% of the power it pulls from the wall goes directly to your components, which means less energy wasted as heat. But the thing is, efficiency is only half the battle. You also need stability. This is where the A550BN's DC-to-DC circuit design comes in. Think of it as a steady hand that ensures your sensitive parts, like the CPU and GPU, get clean and consistent voltage. That's crucial for keeping your system running smoothly and for the long-term health of your PC. Sure, the 550 watts unit doesn't sound like much, but it should be more than enough for most entry-level gaming PCs or mid-range workstations. You get all the essential protections you'd expect from overcurrent to overvoltage, giving you real peace of mind. Plus, the 120mm fan keeps things cool without making a lot of noise. It's a non-modular design, meaning the cables are attached, which is pretty standard for this price point. But for a dependable set-it-and-forget-it power supply, the MSI MAG A550BN is a truly solid choice. Coming in at number 4, we're leveling up with the Corsair RM750e. This is a brilliant power supply for anyone building a serious gaming PC or a high-performance workstation. Just take a look at its stunning fully modular system. Here, you only connect the cables your system actually needs. This makes for a much cleaner build, and you'll get better airflow inside your case. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, but the real story here is how future-proof it is. This PSU is compliant with the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards. In simple terms, it's built to handle the massive power spikes from modern power-hungry graphics cards. It even comes with the native 12V 2x6 connector, so you're ready for the newest GPUs right out of the box. On top of that, it's incredibly efficient, with a Cybernetics Gold certification to prove it. And with its industrial-grade 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, you know it's built for stability and long-term reliability. And here's a feature I think you'll love: the 0 RPM fan mode. When you're just browsing or doing light work, the fan doesn't spin at all, giving you a peaceful, dead-silent operation. It only kicks in when the system is under load. Plus, with modern standby compatibility, your PC can wake from sleep almost instantly. And when you see a 7-year warranty, you know it's a product built to last. Next, we've got another fantastic unit from Corsair, the RM750X. Now, you might notice it shares some specs with our last pick, but this is where we step into truly premium territory. The big difference here is the internal component quality. This PSU is built with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors. What that means is you're getting industry-leading reliability and rock-solid electrical performance, especially when you're pushing your system hard. It's also Cybernetics Gold certified, hitting an impressive 91% efficiency. That means less wasted power and less heat. Of course, it's fully compliant with the modern ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards. And it comes with that native 12V 2x6 connector for the latest graphics cards. So yes, it's absolutely future-proof. But here's a feature that really sets it apart. It has a larger and quieter 140mm fluid dynamic bearing fan, and it gives you a manual control knob. You can let it run automatically in its silent 0 RPM mode, or you can take control of the cooling yourself. That's a fantastic touch for enthusiasts. With its fully modular design and ultra-flexible embossed cables, it's also a pleasure to build with. And the 10-year warranty? That tells you everything about the confidence behind this power supply. At number 2, we've got a genuinely special PSU that pushes the boundaries of what a power supply can be. It's the Enermax PlatiGemini. What makes this one so groundbreaking is that it's the world's first power supply that supports 2 different standards: the current Intel ATX 3.1 and the next generation ATX 12VO. In simple words, that means it's not only perfect for the high-end gaming PC you're building today, but it's also ready for the ultra-efficient motherboards of the future. It's the definition of future-proofing. With a massive 1200 watts of power, this thing is built for the most demanding systems, and its efficiency is just incredible. It's both 80+ and Cybernetics Platinum certified, hitting up to 94% efficiency. What's even more impressive is that it's still 74% efficient at a tiny 2% load. That means it wastes almost no power, whether you're gaming hard or just idling. For those with top-tier graphics cards, listen to this. It can handle power surges up to 235% of its rated wattage. That's the kind of stability you need, but it doesn't stop there. The cooling technology is brilliant. You get a semi-fanless mode for silence under 60% load, and it has a feature called dust-free rotation, where the fan periodically spins backward to blow dust out of the PSU. How cool is that? Besides, it's like fully modular, comes with beautiful mesh-sleeved cables, and it's all packed into a surprisingly compact ATX size. This is surely for the serious builder who wants it all: power, efficiency, and innovation. And now, we've arrived at number 1, the absolute pinnacle, the no-compromise choice for those who want the very best. I'm talking about the Seasonic Prime TX 1600 Noctua edition. Right away, you can see what makes this so special. It's a collaboration between two legends. You take Seasonic, a name synonymous with top-tier power supply engineering, and you pair them with Noctua, the undisputed kings of quiet and high-performance cooling. The result is a masterpiece. Let's start with the power. You get a staggering 1600 watts. This is built for the most extreme gaming rigs with multiple GPUs or for professional workstations handling intense rendering and AI workloads. Its efficiency is rated at 80 plus titanium and cybernetics ETA titanium, which is the highest standard you can achieve. It means virtually no power is wasted, but the real star of the show is the cooling. This PSU features the legendary Noctua NF-A12X25 fan. For anyone who knows PC building, that name says it all. The result is just incredible silence. Under a 50% load in a cool room, the fan doesn't even spin. It's completely passive. Even at full power, it's whisper quiet, running a full 10 decibels lower than the standard version. Inside, it's all about perfection. You get 100% Japanese capacitors and the tightest voltage regulation you can find, ensuring your expensive components get perfectly stable power. It's fully compliant with ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1, and comes with a 12V 2x6 connector for the most powerful graphics cards. And to bring it all home, Seasonic backs this with an incredible 12-year warranty. That surely is a statement of absolute confidence in the quality of every single component. For anyone who refuses to compromise, this is the foundation you build on. It's powerful, it's silent, and it's definitely built for the long haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to Master iTech for more tech content like this. Catch you in the next video.